It seems like that's just the rim of a car tire. I don't understand how it could have fallen off like that.
Oh, what could be the cause of this?
Oh, it fell off. It would be very dangerous if someone was behind it. Oh, I can't imagine it. It's absolutely terrifying. That car was incredibly lucky to escape this disaster. On smaller roads, the consequences are often worse, right, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, the situation at that moment was extremely dangerous. Luckily, the man acted proactively. As you can see, there was a lot of fog, and visibility was severely limited. Oh, I think we should pay attention to our speed and maintain a safe distance when driving. It would be very dangerous if we keep driving at such high speeds. Oh, I'm so sorry to see this. Oh my god, why would someone speed through a curve like that? This driver must have an issue. I just can't understand. Oh, watching carefully and slowing down when crossing the road is a great practice. What do you all think? Let me know. Perhaps the man was angry about why the car didn't stop but kept driving quite a distance. What do you think? Let me know your opinion. Oh my god, now it's just a complete mess. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Curves often carry hidden risks. I think smaller vehicles should only pass when the road seems clear and safe. When visibility is obstructed, I advise everyone not to take risks. Slow down a bit, folks, and observe carefully before deciding to take any action. She was very lucky, but I think motorcycles should stick closer to the side of the road for safety. What do you think? Very lucky. Perhaps the Grim Reaper has overslept. Oh, I can't believe it. What kind of man is this? Next time, he will definitely work more carefully. It's truly miraculous that her car didn't sink, isn't it? I couldn't see clearly what kind of car it was, but I think her car is pretty good. He was well prepared and made a great gesture, wishing him good luck. He sat there dazed, not knowing what was happening. Clearly, the car was parked very close to the curb, yet it still couldn't escape. Oh, it seems like the road was quite slippery, leaving the car with no other option. Everyone, please be cautious of slippery roads when it rains, as they pose many risks. Oh, the scene is absolutely crazy. How could the wheel possibly come off the car? If he had checked the rearview mirror more often, he might have avoided it. He's okay. Luckily, he only suffered minor injuries. The two girls are truly very lucky. If they had been going a bit faster, they might have faced disaster. The tarp on this vehicle is a real hazard for the vehicles behind it. We should avoid driving behind situations like this. It's very dangerous. Very lucky for the two motorbike riders as they are safe. Oh no, carrying such a heavy load, he shouldn't have tried to overtake. Such a shame. Oh my god, why did this happen? Could it be because the road was too slippery? Oh no, it's not over yet. This is inside a tunnel, and it would be extremely dangerous if a fire or explosion occurred. This scene is absolutely crazy. I truly feel terrified at the thought of a fire, but thankfully, everyone is okay. Oh, on the other side of the road, the vehicles are colliding with each other. Where is all that water coming from? It's definitely not engine oil. Oh, luckily the driver is unharmed. The scene truly frightens me. Oh my goodness, how dangerous. Those steel rolls must weigh tons. Why did the white car cross the road like that? I really can't understand. If the truck hadn't swerved, it wouldn't have tipped over like that. Such a pity. Drivers often make mistakes when navigating curves like this. Please slow down and carefully observe before turning. If an issue arises, smaller vehicles will suffer much more. Oh no, how could the white car cross the road like that? It's truly unbelievable. This person's driver's license should be revoked. Such a lack of traffic etiquette is unacceptable. Oh no, there are still so many instances of stopping in the middle of the highway like this. I don't know if the car broke down, but this is extremely dangerous. Everyone, please be extra cautious. At night, our visibility is generally very limited. It's truly unfortunate. If they stopped in the middle of the road for some reason, it might not entirely be their fault. We can avoid such situations if we drive a bit slower, everyone. That is definitely a giant steel plate. Hopefully, the driver is okay.